Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into TIAA Credit account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar that appears at the very top type in TIAA Cref. Log in and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed. According to your search, pick this first link that says TIAA Secure Account Access. You'll end up in the login page and choose your ID in the first text box and head over to the next field where it says enter password and enter your password for your account. In case you've forgotten to use your ID, click on Forgot to Use Your ID link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Similarly, if you ever forget your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password link and reset to a new password by following the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials in this particular device, click this circle that says Remember this device, but if you're using a public device or a shared device, leave it unchecked for your security before logging in. Finally, click the Login button after you're done entering your credentials and you'll be logged into your TIAA Cref account right from Index tab. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.